A longtime manufacturing company was able to create some more jobs with a new $30 million project. It's the first telescope Ingersoll Machine Tools has ever made.
Very neat. I got to go inside Ingersoll today to check out this amazing in-progress telescope firsthand. Take a look.
It's called ATST, the Advanced Technology Solar Telescope, the world's most powerful solar telescope that will eventually sit on the island of Maui. Right now it sits on the floor of Ingersoll in Rockford, where it's being assembled. The project that started at the end of 2011 is now 50% completed.
It will be looking at the corona of the sun to observe primarily the effects of solar flares on our environment and on the satellites and our infrastructure.
This part of the telescope weighs more than 500,000 pounds. It's more than 50 feet tall and 50 feet wide, and they're not done yet. They still have another section to add to the top.
Once that's done, this telescope will be more than 100 feet tall. A team of 8 is working hard on this project, which has created 6 new jobs and maintained another 20 positions. The machine is also helping other local businesses.
90% of everything that you see behind me is steel that was fabricated in the Rockford area, was machined in the Rockford area, and of course it was assembled in the Rockford area. So this project has had a strong effect on the economy just outside of Ingersoll.
Ingersoll will finish the telescope by the end of this year. It will then be disassembled, shipped, and reassembled in Maui to eventually look like this.
Hoping to follow up with that story perhaps in Maui. That'd be nice, huh?
Yeah, not bad, but it gives you some perspective. Seeing little tiny Lauren there with the big telescope.
It was just so cool to see this thing in person. It'll take about 2 years to assemble and perfect that telescope, but then it should be operational in Maui by 2017.
And the project is funded by the National Science Foundation. It's part of the President Obama's American Recovery and Reinvestment Act.